Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using bulky vacuums that can't reach every nook and cranny? The hard floor vacuum power suction car vacuum by Wagness is here to change that. This top-rated bestseller is a game changer for anyone who wants a powerful and portable cleaning solution. With its strong suction power, you can quickly and easily clean your entire car, from the dusty dashboard to the dirty floor mats, and hear the satisfying sound of dirt and debris being sucked away. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who want a reliable and efficient cleaning tool. One of the key benefits of this vacuum is its ability to tackle a variety of surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets, and even wet spills. With its wet and dry functionality, you can vacuum up crumbs and dust, or absorb water with ease, feeling the cool, smooth floor beneath your feet. The multiple filters work together to eliminate residual garbage, leaving your car smelling fresh and clean, with a scent that's reminiscent of a newly cleaned room. The one-click separation feature saves you time and effort, making it easy to empty the dustbin and get back to cleaning. With a simple click, the dustbin opens, and you can hear the dirt and debris falling out. This vacuum is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, such as stairs, windowsills, and tight spaces in your car. With its lightweight and compact design, you can easily maneuver it into tight spaces and feel the satisfying crunch of dirt and debris being sucked away. Whether you're cleaning your car, RV, or home, this vacuum is the perfect tool for the job. With its strong suction power and versatile functionality, you'll be amazed at how easily it can tackle even the toughest messes. Overall, the hard floor vacuum power suction car vacuum by Wagness is a must-have for anyone who wants a powerful, portable, and if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.